I put a video up for a long time, but that's because this broke. The motherboard went on the point of this one, on that one. That's the original. The board on that belongs there. That's a new machine over there. Well, it's not new, it's second round. I've transferred the program from that one to this one. Long story short, it got a real bad sublock, a pipe burst, and it got the electrics wet, shorted the board out. I couldn't find another one, so I ended up finding exactly the same model, which was Fluke on eBay. So I picked it up yesterday. I've just rebooted it. It's not been fun because whilst I was tidying up inside, my hand slipped and put a screwdriver through the hose. So I had to pull another part out of that one for this one. So I had to pull it all open again. What should have took an hour tops, it took me about 5. And then I then found out the pressure switch was burnt out on that one. So I had to take it out of that, that one is the new, the one. It's got my face on it from my machine. My machine was rusty and quite scratched up, quite dirty, as in rusty bits of paint on it. This is the original one. The programs. Oh yeah, if you remember, my door was broke inside a hole in the side. But yeah. It's not attached. I'm not screwing any of this together. There's no point, it's going to scrap. But yeah, all the rest on mine. The only thing I've actually changed is this was my original main board, which I'll quickly show you. So I'm knackered. Let's get this off. I think I should too far back. Yeah, so it's all disconnected. But that board there is all burnt. Oh, you won't be able to see it because I need a torch on. All this section here is all burnt out, the whole lot. Which really pissed me off. But shit happens. But I picked this up because the bearings are gone on this one. Exactly the same problem I had with mine originally. Mine didn't go though, like this one did. Mine actually just started squealing, but listen to this. And it still worked as well when I brought it here, but the drum's like loose. It's weird because this one doesn't even leak. But mine, when the bearings went on mine, that was the actual bearing seal that went on mine, which caused the leak. Yeah. So I picked this up in my work van yesterday, or last night after work. 50 quid. Fully working, just the bearings gone. And this has had a. So everything on this machine is internally is the same. It's just the front it's the main board that's been replaced. It's got a shiny door now. And that's why that towel's there as well, because my torch scratched up my old one. I didn't really care because it scratched everywhere anyway, but the torch made the old one, the old face all rusty. I didn't want to do that on this because it was quite new. And I'm moving to a new house and it won't look tatty now. I was going to actually put that one in the shed for the new house. Because I didn't want it in my kitchen, brand new kitchen, looking like that. But this one's clean enough to go in the kitchen, to be honest. It's got brand new dishwasher and everything as well. But my machine, because I've put so much work in it, this still has its jet system. What I've added, same design as the Lucy done in the 70s, I think, or 80s, I think it was that. I can't remember the model number, I actually had it. And that used to have a heat exchanger at the bottom of the Lucy, rather than the heating element being a drum, which was a lot better idea, because should anything go wrong, like a coin inside, it's not gonna get, the drum's not going to get caught on the heating element. So it was a good idea of Lucy. I don't know why they didn't stick to it. Instead they went down here and they're now absolute shit, because they're electronics. But yeah, this is I didn't realise at the time there was actually quite a few problems with the old board on that one, before it actually completely died. This one washes different from the other one. It also fills up different. It's exactly the same model. The board's exactly the same. Everything matches, but it's just different. So, with the manufacturer, whether this one was slightly new, maybe slightly newer than mine. Mine is 14 years old, so perhaps this one, when they were still making it, maybe slightly newer, because the program is very slightly different. But it still allowed me to add the jet system to that board, which I didn't think it was going to. I thought I was going to have to come up with some sort of concoction to get it to work, but I managed to integrate it with the program still. So happy days. But yeah, it's got a lot of tiles in there. I think it's got about 15 tiles in there. Couldn't get those in because we've not had this working for about 2 weeks. So there's a lot of washing to do now. And because my phone holder's broke, no, I won't be making lots of these videos. I'm only doing this one just to sort of an update. I suppose I didn't use a channel for ages. Even when it's empties now, it used to rattle like hell. The pump, the drain pump, which I replaced on this one, it still rattled like hell. The original one was seized because when I very first put a video up of this, the original, everything was seized on this machine when I first got it, because it's been sat in my garage for 5-6 years, which is how the bearings that seal went. It's just sat there with door shut, it damp inside for that long. So yeah, so far so good. So this is the actual first wash in 2 weeks. So naturally I'm just monitoring this wash just to make sure everything is alright after that leak. Because, yeah, it's absolutely mental that ended up forming a leak and spraying up all over the motherboard and that. Didn't see that one coming. Shit happens. It's an old machine, so if it happens again, it can go to the dump. So I'm not doing it again. Also with this face board, I had to snap this tab off. I hadn't even cleaned up the kitchen's a horrendous. This tab off. For some reason it just didn't fit. It's exactly, well, it's supposed to be the same model. That's that in the little one over there. It's exactly the same. There is on the actual code in there though, there is a couple of digits different on the two models. So this must have been after mine, because the program looks identical, or the board looks identical, but it is slightly different, especially when it fills up, which I should have showed you at the beginning. I forgot about that when I put it on. Mine used to put quite a bit of water in and then stop, start, adding water. This one, and right away starts with the water, stop, start, adds some for a bit, then it stops, start, then it adds again. and then it starts washing, and then it goes through the process again about a couple of minutes later, which is, I thought it was faulty at first, but I've done 8, 9 fill and empty test runs, just making sure everything's alright, no more leaks when I still had it in bits, or the bottom of it open in it. Just to make sure nothing else is leaking or is going to fuck it up. I also had to lug this up 50 odd outdoor steps, which I really can't be dealing with that after work. Anyway, there's your answer. I'll post a picture up of this is the header of how this was about 4 hours ago.